This is Marie Gonzalez. I hold a Bachelor of Science in Biochemistry from the University of Texas. I'm currently a research and development scientist at Thermo Fisher Scientific. Efficient purification of PCR products is critical to the success of downstream applications such as DNA sequencing, restriction digestion, cloning, labeling, ligation, in vitro transcription, blotting, and in situ hybridization. Choosing the right technology, such as silica columns or magnetic beads, can be a point of confusion, as is the choice of the kits, based on the size of fragments to be recovered, as well as the efficiency of recovery. Here we provide detailed information on several key PCR cleanup kits and highlight their performance in comparison to other commercially available kits to make your choice easier, as well as help you get the most out of your cleanup reactions. The two main PCR cleanup approaches utilize two technologies: silica spin columns, which are convenient for low throughput reactions, and magnetic beads, which are designed for higher throughput applications. Magnetic beads can be used manually or in automated formats with instruments like the Thermo Scientific Kingfisher system. Both technologies allow users to efficiently remove primers, unincorporated DNTPs, enzymes, and salts from PCR mixtures. Selecting the best kit depends on factors such as amplicon size, throughput, and desired DNA yield. For this application, we tested 3 different types of kits: mini column, micro column, and magnetic, to determine the optimal one based on the size of recovered DNA fragments as well as recovery. Isolations were performed according to the manufacturer's instructions. For all the reactions, small and large amplicons were generated in separate PCR reactions, and 50 microliters of samples were processed using the cleanup kits in triplicate. DNA yield and purity were measured using a Thermo Scientific nanodrop spectrophotometer, and the fragments were also analyzed using a 1% agarose Invitrogen e-gel. All the kits were also ranked from 1 being the lowest to 5 being the highest for ease of use based on several different factors, which are summarized in Table 1. Methods and results for each of the kits are discussed in the application note. To summarize, for low to medium throughput PCR cleanup, the GeneJET PCR purification kit is ideal. For low concentration PCR products, the PureLink PCR micro kit is comparable to the competitor at a reasonable price point. Finally, to take advantage of scalability when working with a high-throughput workflow, the ChargeSwitch PCR cleanup kit is the clear winner. Thank you for allowing me to go over our offerings with you, and I hope this provides you with worthwhile information.